today I wanted to show what it takes to get the Edge product to talk to an Allen Bradley Control Logics PLC. How difficult is it? How much work is there involved in doing that? Well, let's look at it. We're going to be in the Edge Explorer web utility that comes with the Edge product. We're going to be in the Collect tab, and we're going to use this pop-up to create a new Allen Bradley input. AB stands for Allen Bradley. That's going to take us through a series of dialogues where we just answer the questions as they come up. So let's try it out. We'll give it a clever name. And then we'll hit next to see what else we need to do. Okay, we need to tell it, yes, it's a Control Logics. We need to give it the address. We're going to leave the data collection interval at the default of every 10 seconds. You can adjust that to be whatever you want. We're going to give it a name for a table to store the data in. Now the retention policy, it's defaults to every 4 weeks. So that means it'll keep 4 weeks of data. And when there's a 5th week, it's dropped off. You can change this to be whenever you like, including do not or never purge, which means keep everything forever. For now, we'll leave it at every 4 weeks or keep 4 weeks. Okay, so next. Now here's where we're going to enter the information about the tags of data that we want to pull. There's going to be 1 tag per line here, and we enter the Allen Bradley specific information, and also we're going to give it a JSON property. Now there can be a path too, but it's at least a property. And what that allows Edge to do is take each data read, all the tags from each read, and turn it into a JSON object automatically and continuously. So we'll fill this out so that we can see what the data looks like. Okay, so there's all the info for the 2 tags that I want to pull today. We have a serial and a speed. So let's do next. Here's a place where you could put some metadata in here, context information like, what is the sensor, what machine is this on, where is it, that kind of a thing. We can leave that blank for now. Click finish. That's it. That's all it took. Now, Edge is every 10 seconds going out and talking to that Allen Bradley Control Logics PLC and pulling those tags of data. So what does it look like? We'll click here on store, refresh the view. There's the table I asked it to create. Look, there's 2 rows of data already. We can click on one, and you can see that I've got a JSON object here built using the JSON properties I specified. So the serial is with the serial and the speed is the speed. Also, you can see a timestamp. We throw a timestamp in there. Everything has to be timestamped so you can correlate data. But anyway, that's all it takes. That's it.